to the School Design Studio's vision of educational excellence. Step into Siddhartha Public School in Hyderabad, a dynamic environment meticulously crafted to foster the growth of 3,500 students into tomorrow's leaders. With a sprawling 7-acre site area and a built-up space of 1 lakh 37,000 square feet, this school is divided into 4 blocks, each dedicated to the state board curriculum. Our design embraces sportsmanship and cultural engagement, featuring an amphitheatre and diverse sports facilities like football, volleyball, badminton, basketball, cricket, and a skating rink, fostering the well-rounded development of each student. The kindergarten play area prioritizes holistic child development, featuring sensory play, car play, a playhouse, gardening, and water play, fostering learning through play. Experience the pinnacle of educational efficiency in our meticulously designed school administration space. From the inviting reception and waiting areas in Block A and C to the prestigious offices of the director and principal, every element seamlessly combines functionality and aesthetics. We've designed our state-of-the-art multifunctional administrative hub with careful attention to detail, ensuring it's fully equipped to meet all needs. Design a space where every corner ignites curiosity and nurtures a passion for learning from the outset. Our thoughtfully designed activity areas are curated to inspire imaginative play. Our contemporary, flexible classrooms, specialized labs including Maths Lab, Composite Lab, Language Lab, Computer Lab, Art and Craft Oasis, and dedicated dance and music rooms are meticulously crafted to foster a dynamic educational atmosphere. This comprehensive approach aims to enrich children's growth through an immersive and engaging learning journey. The purpose of keeping a junior library is to spark a love for reading, nurture curious minds, and cultivate lifelong learning habits. Our cozy haven is crafted to captivate young hearts with the magic of storytelling, making learning an enchanting adventure for all. We've created a dedicated and studious school library for high school students, integrating a digital library to enhance learning and research capabilities. Our vibrant atriums stand as the pulsating core of the school, igniting creativity and nurturing a collaborative spirit among students, embodying the essence of dynamic architectural design. Collaborate with the School Design Studio to design your 21st century learning environment.